Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Lina Jayani. I'm from Mawajaya Senior High School. The Honorable Judges allow me to address my argument. The motion today, this House will criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle. Here I will convey definition, limitation, argument, and conclusion. The charge of this motion is criminalization according to Sudarto can be defined as a process by which a person departs as an act which can be committed. It is wrong to criminalize people without solid evidence, but if there is solid evidence, it is a necessity. That's why we gave them limitation with her big, small deliberation. There are some things and requirements that them criminal excuse not be used against them. 1. The awareness and cooperation of society. 2. Government accountability and transparency are called for. Go in argument. First argument, harm of what would have a domino effect in society is contains a part of toxic material. To that end, waste treatment is a must. Studies have shown that industrial waste can produce toxic substance in its environment that have a negative impact on humans and other environmental components. If industrial waste not treated first will have a profound impact on both the environment and the human family. As example, burning textile waste will create pollution and create a greenhouse effect, and global warming will then impact climate change and impact of living things. Second argument, the exchange society market value waste can be recycled. There's a lot of material around us that can be used for recycling. Material such as second-hand plastic bottles and paper are the best recyclables you can use. The garbage cannot be biodegradable by the bacterial and therefore cannot be destroyed in the soil. Considering the magnitude of the impact that it will have, super large scale waste and that which large ones, whereas small ones with moderate action. Here, we also offer a solution to this debate motion. 1. Socializing, that is socializing communities and companies about the environmental impact of waste. 2. The regulation of waste treatment, which is to do community training. 3. Designed the law as a base of the law umbrella as a solid basis. 4. Strict surveillance by the authorities. So, we from the government team agree on this motion. This House will criminalize individuals and organizations who do not recycle. This is my argument about motion today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.